Hello, so this is the recent project I was working upon. It's called PlinkoChallenge. PlinkoChallenge is an application, is a web app that usually is used to play an online game of Plinko. So you can set a ball price. This is the demo version. As you can see, there is a demo balance up here. You can set the ball price. As you can see, there will be small instructions that will tell you that what you need to do and what is what. As you can see, this is a 16 rows pegs, and there is a win probability given over uh, each container. So as you can see that the win probability is accounted for and you can calculate it. It's a simulation environment, so it's not an actual game. It's one of the recent projects I've worked upon for a client. This is the website. As you can see, it's working properly right now. Showing ads and everything. So you can see there are some ads here. Of course, these ads will be changed later onwards when the application goes live. For now, a lot of the information is just rubbish, just used to fill in space. Although the privacy policy, we had some, so we used it. As you can see, it was the navigation is done through links and app sections, page sections. So as you can see that this is the privacy policy. You can read it if you want. You can read everything, manage how we manage everything, and yeah, you can get in touch. Send us an email if you have any problem or anything. The navbar section is for that. Now let's go back into our main website. So yeah, as you can see, day and night mode is usually used to have a better nav bar. You can use that nav bar as it assimilates in both the colors. It's not essential that you do it. It was made as an gradient, so it works with both the colors in the back, both the colored backgrounds, may it be purple or may it be brown or may it be brown. Sorry, may it be purple and may it be blue. So there's that. As you can see, the website is operational in every every way possible. I can show that to you. Just a second. Yeah. So as you can see that it will be usable in every way, and yeah, sorry, just zoomed in a bit. Yeah, this is proper. So you can see the physics won't change even a bit. Everything has been accounted for, and yeah, this is the some part of the website. There is an admin section that I am not allowed to show, so I won't show that, but it's good. So yeah, This rendering issue will be solved. That's some small problems that keeps on happening when you resize it. Usually is just that it will reload it again. Right now I'm not logged in, so I don't think so it will allow me to play. As you can see, user ID is missing, so I would need to log in. So as you can see that if I sign in, I would need to put my email and my password, and when I log in I will show my remaining balance. I can request any amount of balance, although I won't request it right now because, well, the game is not live, so why request it? Unlike the prior version, as you can see that the remaining zigzags are, or the remaining currency is already shown here, so you don't need an bar here. Of course, a bar will appear once you start the game, and unlike the game back then, you can't drop multiple balls here because, let's be realistic, that was the demo version, and in the demo version, we allowed players to drop as many balls as they want. But in the live version, you just drop a ball and you just see it fall. Of course, right now I'm running so many apps that the screen is looking very slow, but it usually depends on the speed of your PC and how much your CPU is consuming space. So, yeah, you can drop more balls and it will drop. Right now, this is slow, I know, but yeah. As you can see that there are multiple types of ads here. There are header ads, there are sidebar ads. The sidebar ads, when you decrease the width, they get they get paired up with the header ads in the same style, so that you can't have a sidebar section in mobiles. So that's why. You can see that you can read the terms and conditions, and you can just go out. Right now, my mouse doesn't work properly, so that's why the scrolling is a bit of a problem. You can check any ads terms and conditions, and it will lead you to the page there. Right now, because of the slow PC, it's causing some problems. But yeah, you can just navigate it properly. I will show you every information related to the ad that you have shown, especially those ads that are related to casinos, because they will highly encourage you and they'll highly make you play in the casino. So we need to tell you everything that we know about the casino, and it's frustrating according to us. This is the ratings. As you can see, this is just me giving some random information about stake, and this is the general terms. Of course, I didn't have any general terms from the stake that will be filled by the owner of this website. So yeah, he'll do the stuff. Of course, you can add additional information. I added a link. Of course, don't look at the link, but as you can see, the link will shorten its name to whatever the keywords can be that you can find. So let's go back to casinos. There will be a page. Whichever casino that you click, there will be a page leading you up to that. And you'll be showed the office here. So as you can see, you can read through that stuff. You can visit the website here, or you can view details, which will lead you to the main page. And now, if we go back into the main website, there are a lot more things. There is a documentation that I have used. You can read through it if you ever feel like it. I'll link that down below. Uh, I will tell you the architecture that I used and the technologies. As for the tech stack, it's basic TypeScript, and for the backend too, it's TypeScript, and for database, it's MongoDB and Express and Vue for the front end. Uh, CSS is Tailwind. So as you can see, I have listed down all the stuff. Uh, you can read through it if you need. It's all listed in a nice way. You can read through. There are few key examples that I gave of how the schema was made, uh, how the project is. Of course, there are links that will lead you to the actual GitHub. You can go see the code for yourself and let me know. All right, thank you.